Thank you so much, Mr. Rajkumar, for joining us. We are here at Excon 2023. Can we start off with an update on your participation at this year's Excon? What are you trying to showcase and communicate to the industry?
Although we are into this industry since last 54 years, we do hydraulic hose, tubes, metal tubes, radiator hose. Now, this time, first time we have introduced air conditioning for construction industry as well as for bus industry. As well as this time we are displayed some of products for electric vehicle, which are the future of India.
Right. How has the response been? I mean, we are on day 4. How has the response been at the show?
Yeah, response till yesterday it was good. Now it is the starting of the day. So let's see. We are hoping lot of people. Although million of people are visiting in this exhibition because this is one of the biggest exhibition in the India.
So the tagline behind you reads, leading the way in large-scale manufacturing.
Yeah.
Can you explain a little bit more on the same? How are you leading the way?
See, we are basically customer-based company. So we are driven by customer. So customer says we need this, okay, we can copy that and produce and supply as a best quality product as 100%.
Right. And of course, this is a construction equipment show.
Yeah.
How strong is Imperial Auto in this particular segment? And what percentage of your revenue or sale does this segment contribute?
Yes, this is a really appreciated question. We are into this segment almost 100%. I would say if I consider my competitors, so our share of business would be somewhere 75 to 80%. And we do with JCB, Hyundai, Tata, Hitachi, Volvo, everyone. So percentage of sale in terms of our total revenue would be somewhere 30% of contribution.
Fantastic. Right. We also understand that you have a good global footprint as well. I mean, you are a company based in India, but catering to customers globally.
Yeah.
Can you help us understand a bit more about your exports and your presence outside of India?
We do 30% of the export of our total revenue. If we cannot keep happy our domestic customer, the same customers are in outside of country. So that's the reason we are keeping them happy in India. We got a chance, opportunity to supply them outside of India. We do CAT, JCB, Cummins worldwide. This is the reason. We have plant in US, we have plant in Germany, now we have plant in Mexico also.
Fantastic. Okay, if we have to talk about USPs of Imperial Auto, you know, the points that make you better than competition, what would they be? Maybe the top 3 that come to your mind.
First is cost, second is quality, then third is supply.
Okay, fantastic. Right. Couple of last questions. How has the current financial year been for your company in terms of business, in terms of growth? What kind of percentage growth are you looking at?
We are expecting at least 15%, 15% growth in this financial year.
Fantastic.
And that is achievable.
Okay, right. And one last thing on your thoughts. We are seeing a lot of positive sentiment, especially in infrastructure development in India, with the kind of efforts by the government. And I think there's a lot of vibrancy around, right? So what is your comment or your thought on the future of not just this sector, but the entire Indian economy, Indian automotive sector, and what role Imperial will play in the same?
See, as you rightly said, because of Indian government is supporting very well, and Mr. Gadkari is doing excellent job to connect one city to one city and state to state. So the construction machine is required to build the construction or roadways. So if customer machine will demand, ourselves will also grow because we are supplier to them.